So here we go, darling. Your package has arrived, and it was in this package here, so I've taken it out. What I got from here was this. This seems to be like the packaging, another wrapper for your bag. And also we have received $100 voucher for wine from a particular wine shop. Not a wine shop, but online. So let me open this up for you. Wow, this looks nice. So you have your, probably the warranty stuff in here, and then you have, as you can see, the bag comes in within a bag as well. So let's see if we can take the bag out, and ta-da! Ready? Here we go. This is your YSL, the one you wanted for a long time. I'm gonna turn it around. There you go. It looks in pristine condition. Doesn't seem to have any sort of it doesn't seem to have any sort of scratches on it. So it's very difficult to open it because right now it's hard. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for a while, and then I can later show you the insides of it. So it's cold outside, so you can see. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it like this for a while and then open it up later on. All right, enjoy.